with diabetes, the problem with diabetes is that you don't process your sugar properly. So let's have a look. This is your stomach going down to your small bowel, and your pancreas, it's a bit of a curvaceous pancreas here, here we go, sits in here, and let's do your bloodstream out there, okay, and then we've got little cells in your body. So you eat something that is sugar. Now, that's just not sugar. That could be anything that is what we call a carbohydrate. So carbohydrates all turn into sugar. So that's your bread, pasta, rice, your starchy vegetables, so like potato and taro and those sorts of things. So all of that carbo is what I mean when we're talking about sugar, right? So your sugar gets into your gut, and you've got little cells in your pancreas called islet cells, and they make insulin, which goes into your bloodstream as well. So your insulin gets into here, into your bloodstream, your sugar gets into your gut and goes into your bloodstream. So there you've got your, let's just make it an S, sugar zipping around. And then you've got your insulin, and your insulin helps to drive that sugar into your cells. So you need insulin to help get the sugar into your cells, so cells can use them, because cells use sugar for every process, or lots of processes that they do. So sugar is, or carbohydrate is really essential, glucose, but you can have too much. What happens with diabetes is these islet cells just get tired, and you don't make enough insulin, and so your sugar then sits around in your bloodstream. And if it sits around in your bloodstream, it can actually thicken up the walls of your bloodstream so that they get smaller, and it can make them stiffer. So then that causes damages to all the little blood vessels everywhere. When we start treating diabetes, usually we use medication that encourages these cells to produce more insulin. So the oral tablets that you take are the ones that are working on this. And eventually, sometimes people will need to actually have injections of insulin, because these cells get so tired that they just can't make enough of the insulin that you need, and that's when injections come in.